Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how to make the delicious popular Asian sweet jam, the Pandan Kaya. It requires few basic ingredients. Usually we need pandan leaves to extract its beautiful sage green color and its unique aroma. Using the pandan powder will make our life easier. Next is the cornstarch, palm sugar, water, unsweetened evaporated milk, egg yolk, and coconut milk. Separate the yolk and mix it with cornstarch and palm sugar. Add unsweetened evaporated milk and coconut milk. Add pandan powder to the water. Mix well and add this to the egg mixture. A tiny drop of green coloring gel to brighten up the color. Put a pot filled with some water on the medium heat. We are going to Bain Marie or cook the kaya by water bath it. Cooking the kaya with low, even heat can prevent the egg to form the lump. Stir the mixture all the time. Pay attention when the kaya starts to coat the whisk. When the kaya gets thicker, remove it from the heat and keep stirring it. It will continue cooking from the remaining heat. Kaya gets along very well with white bread and Chinese donut. In my next video, I will show you how to make the absolutely delicious Chinese donut that is second to none. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss out my next video.